Hey, how's it going? So I have one box of 2020 Allen Ginter X. Got this at the local card shop recently for Father's Day. My wife pitched in, helped me get this, so I'm gonna rip into this. A Father's Day gift. Hopefully I get something lucky. When she pitches in or picks out a box, she didn't pick out the box, this is the only one there. But when she contributes, things turn out pretty well. So I've never opened Allen Ginter X before. I believe it's an online exclusive. Card shop had a box of this, so let's see what I get here. This is how this goes, like this. Hey, let's pop it back here. All right, here we go. Let's see what I get. There's 18 packs in this box. Not guaranteed an auto. It just says look for autographed cards. You can kind of see it right there. So hopefully I get one. There's definitely some cool autos to get. Here we go. Let's see what I get. Nice. Eloy Jimenez right up top. Yamamoto Anderson. Oh, what's this? Looks like I got something. Got something. Right on top. Aaron Nola, Smoltz. Alright. There's a mini here too. Ryan Howard mini and the auto. Charlie, is that Charlie Morton? I think so. Ryan Howard there. So I did get an auto. That's cool. 14 of 20. Bottom of the card there. Sweet. Nice. Yep, Charlie Morton. Love the mini. With the bordered cards here. Neat. Go ahead and pop this back here. Still got the rest of the box. 14 of 20 Charlie Morton auto. Don't think I have any Charlie Mortons. So that's kind of cool. Alright, Stein. Clayton. Giolito, Braun. Bert Blyleven, Max Fried. Max Muncy and Betts. That was a Dodger pack. Cody Bellinger, Whit Merrifield. Chris Bryant, Garrett Cole, DeBon. Walker. Nice. Willie Mays. That's cool. The minis look very black bordered, where the base here don't seem as black. It's cool. Garrigan Bellinger. Another Dodger, Walker Buehler on the back. It's like getting Dodgers after Dodgers. Donaldson, Alomar Acuna, Joey Gallo, Darryl Strawberry. That mauve on. That's cool. Escobar and Buehler. Man, it feels like I only got through a few packs. Looks like this is pack number 5. Frank Thomas. Thune. Rodriguez. Hamels. Cruz. Didi Gregorius. Mini. Trevor Story. Tom Glavine. Man, Colton Wong, Baseball Brit, Yates, Jose Canseco, and Tampa Bay Devil Rays. Bagwell. Gavin Lux, rookie. And another Bagwell. Kim Jong. Ken Jong. Nevich, Karabas, Jones, Buhner, Joe Mauer, Torrey, and Altuve. Ricky Henderson, Seagull, Vice, Seaver, Kendrick, Segura, Gene Segura, Freed, and Ernie Banks. There are definitely some cool mini reds I've seen that are 5, numbered to 5. I've seen those online for sale. Be really cool to pull one of those. Mercado, Wagner, Diaz, Alzole, Tim Raines. Oh, Cal Ripken Jr. Oh, why is this one white bordered? Oh, that's why. A&G back. It's cool. Cal Ripken Jr. AG back. Nice. Flaherty, Randy Johnson. Nico Horner, rookie. McKay rookie. Toro rookie. Huston. Be the first to crack the code. Don't know if anybody cracked the code already. 2020 Ginter. Not sure. Randy Johnson. Andre Dawson. Christian Yelich. Rod Carew. Munoz. Zach Gallen. Conforto. Reggie Jackson. Gavin Lux. Mini rookie. I like that. Joe Mauer, Willie Mays. Reynolds, Dr. Robles, Eric Hosmer, Zach Greinke, this is Moises. It is. He's been making a lot of appearances. Will Smith, Mini, 198. Carlton Fisk, Posey. Lau, Equity, Boyd, Clevenger, Raleigh Fingers, Tandron. I don't know what this guy is all about. Barber, the Miami Marlins Barber. Hugo Juice Tandron, Baseball Barber. George Brett, Gary Carter. Hyunjin Ryu. We'll go back. Albert Pujols, Emmerich, Bryce Harper, Jack Flaherty Mini, Estea, and Juan Soto. Packs keep on going. Feels like there's so many in this box. Jim Thome, Tanaka, AJ Puck, Max Scherzer, Polanco, Walker Buehler Mini, getting all the Dodgers. Rivera Boggs. Hunter Pence. Zito, Mustakas, Gaines, Hunter. Ernie Banks Mini. 17. Clemente and Ozuna. Oh, that's why there's some styrofoam on the bottom. There's 2 packs left. This is the second to last pack. Robinson, Martinez, Riley, Gibson, Bucky Lasik, Trey Mancini Mini, Schwarber, and Bench in the last pack. I wonder why it felt like there's so much. Alright, Cohen, Olsen, Scurry, Benintendi, Bobby Dorr, and Mookie Betts Mini, another Dodger. Cool, got a lot of Dodgers in this box. Hoskins and Marte, so there you go. Did get an auto, number 14 of 20, Charlie Morton. Pretty sweet looking. Nice, got lucky, got an auto. There you all go. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. As usual, catch you all later. Peace.